Hello, my name is Aditya Chauhan. I am from Nagpur. I did my graduation from Nagpur at Commerce stream in 2020. After that, I am searching a job into an IT company, but there is no job in that. So, one time, one of the my friends suggested me to join an Evision, which is an IT staffing and recruitment company. After that, I joined to the Evision, where Evision gives me some of the best classes, and where Evision they taught about an Windows Administrator, CompTIA, security related things, which helps to grow my career also. Now, finally, I am selected into an ETP International Private Limited as a desktop support engineer. So for this, firstly I'm saying to thank you to the Ganesh sir, Sati ma'am and a Monali ma'am also. And also thank you to the placement team who gives me updates every time. So thank you so much, Evision.